Everyone's yelling the same thing right now. The AI bubble is bursting. Startups collapsing, investors pulling out, Twitter threads declaring AI is dead. But hold up. Does anyone else remember when they said the internet was just a fad? Or when people laughed at the iPhone? Yeah, same energy. Here's the reality. What's bursting isn't AI. It's the hype balloon, the clones, the lazy AI note-taking app with a $10 subscription that nobody wanted. Those are done. But the tech itself? That's not going anywhere. Microsoft, Google, Meta, they're still dropping billions into AI. Developers are coding faster than ever with Copilot, Cursor AI, and ChatGPT. This isn't the end of AI. It's the end of the wannabes. The tools stay, the hype dies, and the devs who actually adapt, they win big. So no, AI isn't collapsing. It's just killing the noise.